Okay, so we're gonna see if I can solve these all. Oscar, you can mix these all up while I'm waiting. So it's a 3x3 regular, 3x3 mini, Mirror Cube, and 2x2. So let's get started.
Where are you going next semester? You're gonna come back here next semester?
Not confusing that is at practice and every someone goes, hey, what's up, Josh? I tried to go look and see about this, Josh.
Dude, I had that same exact problem. Where are you going? Oh, shoot. What's up, Jesse? Yeah, you're in time for the show. Alright, Marco, see you at practice. Alright, let's see.
How fast can you solve one of those, Josh?
Depends on how much it's scrambled. So far, my fastest is 2 minutes. It will not be 2 minutes for today, I think.
2 minutes? I think my most is like 10 minutes.
You actually know how to solve these?
I actually know how to solve one of those.
Oh, shit. I had no clue. Dude, I'm finding like all these like a secret clan of cubers.
I think everyone had a Rubik's Cube phase for like a cool 5 minutes.
For like a cool 5 minutes.
After just sitting in your room unsolved and not touched.
Yeah. Whether everyone solved theirs is a different problem. I remember as a kid, I got them from the pool guy.
First layer solve. That one took me a little bit.
That was cheap, right?
They were really cheap, but I mean, for a kid, you know, it's perfect. I was like, what, 5, 7 years old?
Oscar's preparing my fate.
Honestly, pretty good scrambles here.
Especially the 2x2. That one's hard to scramble because too much scrambling.
Well, you can only scramble it so much.
I try to scramble it so there's at least like one color on each, but it's impossible to get that.
Oh, wait.
Pretty good, yeah.
Huh? What did you say, Oscar? Okay, 2 layers. Now we're gonna...
It's been 10 minutes so far.
No, it hasn't.
It's been like 2 minutes.
That's fine. Okay, now I got the yellow crust, so now gotta just do this next part right. Match up 2 of these, okay. Do we break formation? Yes. Good, good.
Different algorithm.
Huh?
It's a whole different algorithm.
Boom. Okay.
2 minutes 47.
Okay, so now we'll do a 2x2. He's already ready to scramble again.
I solved it.
Good. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, first layer. And then
The amount of progress that I've seen in about a week is astonishing.
I told you guys it's called intensive training. And then solved.
I mean, the only intensive training I do is like eating 3 sopa maruchas in under 5 seconds. Or about a minute, actually.
Hey, I'll take it. That's way faster than I ever dreamed.
And then the final boss, the Mirror Cube.
The Mirror Cube I am not as fast with yet. Emphasis on the yet.
You just solved the Mirror Cube?
I actually can. It's just literally the same as that. The difference is you have to solve it by feel rather than color. White cross. So hold on, let's see. That corner goes there. So that's rough. If only Marco was here. He's missing the show. Gosh, this
Oh. Hold
more
on.
you use it, the more they kind of
More loosens up, no?
the more loosens it.
Okay, I think I'm on the final one.
Oh.
There we go. Okay, we got. Okay,
Boss, the mirror.
finally the mirror. This one's nasty. Okay, so hold on. And Angel, let it be known on this little documentary, I would have solved that faster.
You would have solved it, yeah, had it not been for
had I
one
not
mistake.
messed it up. But you know what? That's called part of the competition, so I'll improve that for next time. Do that algorithm on this one though, because of the different proportions.
That's
Oh,
as good as mirror cube as can
damn.
turning
We
it
got-
Oh, I just solved them all. Let's
Ready.
Okay, so Oscar and I, make sure you see Oscar. We're gonna have a bit of a cube off. I'm gonna scramble for him. The 2x2, he'll solve it. Then he'll scramble for me. Then we'll see. Just pay attention to subtitles and we'll see how fast it goes. Otherwise, Oscar, you ready? Okay, let's see if I can. Let's hope this is a good scramble. Here you go.
Wow.
Oh, that was fast. Okay, you're gonna scramble it for me.
Like less than 20 seconds.
Oh, bro, I might not have scrambled that good enough. Or, no, Oscar's just that good, actually.
But damn.
Alright,
That was
3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Oh, wait, got it.
Roughly about the same time. Maybe a couple seconds more, but still roughly around the same.
Ah! No, my cardboard's open, not eating that. Okay, now we're gonna do a 3x3. Oscar, you wanna go first?
I'll have you go first this year.
Okay, well. He's like, I need to make sure the bar's set low. All jokes aside, guys, Oscar here is the one that actually helped teach me how to do this, so. Namaste, Oscar. Alright, Andrew, you ready?
It's still recording the whole time.
I know, but just.
Yeah.
Anyway, finish it. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, hold on. Okay, white cross. So that was good. Okay, I got lucky that all the corners were conveniently set.
I think less time to scramble would be simpler now.
Sometimes it's kind of. You can only scramble them so late. From the start late.
Okay, first 2 layers.
Yellow
got the
cross.
White cross, but it's not solved, so I gotta do it.
So about the 4x4, so
Hey.
keep off my nose.
In due time, master.
Pyramids, that's interesting. That's
Okay, got that. So now, I almost messed up the whole thing.
Would have had to start all over. It would have been the small cube all over
You guys
again.
had to watch me do that. It's not fun. Game over, man. Okay, good. No. Okay, good.
Roughly 2 minutes.
Okay, Oscar, you ready? Let's see. We gotta throw Marco in here whenever he's here next time. Let's see how good I can screw with this. And you know, it's like, how many different ways are there to solve a 3x3? It's like in the quintillions.
Is it really?
I was reading
Yeah, I'm reading some crazy number.
I know, I was like, what? That can't be right. I mean, I feel like 100, but like, I don't know. There's so
I
many.
guess they're kind of like different ways to match up
I
every
think
single
honestly,
part of like the Cuban, yeah. But like, in terms of like ways to solve it, it's kind of
there's just, I think it's just hard to quantify it. You ready? Go.
You know, I'm not a huge fan of garbanzos, surprisingly.
Well, it probably helps I love hummus.
Mm. I mean, they're not bad, but it's not a huge fan. I thought it was also made with tomatoes, no?
It can be.
No.
But like plain, regular hummus, like straight from Greece, just garbanzo beans.
Mm.
Mediterranean. Oh, too late. You almost done.
I'll tell you now, it's been like a minute and a half. All over, like in the small time we were talking about beans. Wow.
well, like a minute 30.
That was pretty good.
I'll tell you this, it's less than 2 minutes for sure.
That means Oscars. That means I still got a golden word for it. Seriously, good work, Oscars.
But I mean, you weren't too far off.
No, I wasn't too far, but it's like this would be
That was pretty fast.
an 800 meters. This would be 5K. Still got a little bit to go before I can beat you in the 5K.